This is my first bike check. Colony Sweet Tooth. Got an alienation front rim, titanium purple haze spokes, a Colony clone front hub, fit shiv forks, Shadow Conspiracy 11B bars, Eastern skull grips, a carbon brake lever, Colony official front stem. I got Colony headset, Colony Sweet Tooth frame, Colony official V2 cranks, Glow Odyssey twisted pedals, alienation runaway rear rim, titanium purple haze spokes with a Colony clone cassette. Got a Colony pivotal seat, nitrous seat post, Colony gutter, chain wheel with the crazy KMC chain. This is 100% custom. You'll never find a color like this anywhere. Let me know what you think. Comment.